Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today we will learn the present perfect tense. Before starting the video, I request you, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's start the video. The present perfect tense. This tense indicates the completion of an action in the present time. He has killed the snake. From this example, we know that the action of killing the snake has been completed in the present. Formation of the present perfect tense. The third form of the verb is used with the auxiliary verbs has or have to form this tense. Has is always used with the subjects he, she, it, or any singular noun. He has written a letter to his friend. She has sung a song in the classroom. Alex has studied 2 foreign languages. If the sentence contains subjects, I, we, you, they, or plural nouns, then the auxiliary verb have is used with the third form of the verb. I have taken my food. We have shopped from the market. You have left home. We have played a cricket match. Ben and Alex have completed their homework. From these examples, the structure of the present perfect tense will be something like this. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus third form of verb plus object. For the subjects, he, she, it, or a singular noun, helping verb has is used. For the subjects, I, we, you, they, and plural nouns, helping verb have is used. Interrogative of the present perfect tense. Like the present continuous tense, the auxiliary verb is written at the beginning of the sentence, and a question mark is placed at the end to make the present perfect tense interrogative. Have you finished your work? Has he learned his lesson by heart? Negative of the present perfect tense. This tense can be made negative by putting not between the helping verb and the third form of the verb. You have not gone to Dubai. Virat Kohli has not scored a century in the final of the World Test Championship 2023. Final words. For the present perfect tense, always remember that the auxiliary verb has or have is used. Third form of the verb is always used with has and have. It is hoped that the concept of the present perfect tense will be clear from today's video. See you soon in the new upcoming video. Until then, bye bye.